are you? My name is Rahil and I am your trainer of Blender for beginners. In this video, we are going to learn Blender Day 2. So let's begin. So, in day 1, we learn all about object mode and this viewport also. And now we are going to learn object editing things. So let's get started. Click anywhere and you're in new general page. We made so many things in the day 1 like meeting setup, and we recap that because that previous video has been deleted. That we recapped, and that recap video, in the last we made up all the knowledge we made up an table. So I want to say you something. For you don't do this like so let's go in edit mode. In first we see edit mode. See here, so many things are there, like this cube, and this menus down have so many things are replaced, and here hasn't so many things that we cannot cover in one video. So, and here has everything normal. See and see. Wait, I'm doing switch to edit mode and object mode with the tab key. Press tab to go in edit mode. Press tab again to go in object mode. So let's learn. Sorry. So here has so many things like extrude region, instant phase, bevel, loop cut, knife, poly build, spin, smooth, edge slide, string fatten, shear, and rip region. So, and you can see here this. When we click here, this cube side will change, and when we click here, we can select box, and when we in here, we cannot take slide box, and you want, and what we say, this white lines, we said this edge loops. When then there you see this, where is this loop, we say this loop, and this is dots. Okay, so first we understand what is extrusion. First, just go to edit mode, tap, delete this, and when UV sphere, and go to edit mode again, because we cannot spawn mesh in the edit mode. So click here and click on extrude region. You see this plus option, and you can extrude this like this. How I'm extruding. I'm just making what I'm getting in my mind. C for the circle selection. Hmm, C. Sorry. It's looking good. No, it's looking bad. Okay, you can see this like I made. And we what is instant face? With the instant face, we can do this. Wait, why it's not coming? Press I and do this now. You can do like this and extrude it. I'm just making it for understanding you. Now you can do it practice, but not like me. Okay, what is bevel? So bevel means, for example, click here, and what that yellow comes and up it like this, and it's not coming smoother. So do like this and scroll wheel up down like this. You can see here I'm doing up and down. Wait, see, like this has been coming. It's looking like an pencil eraser, and pencil nib has been in big eraser, circle eraser. Okay, loop cut. We can do loop cut with this like this. You can see like this. Let's make something with this. So let's go in object, add one uh, cube here. What's happened to this? Wait. Okay. Go in the edit mode and click here. Wait. What happening? Why it's not? Oh, it's adds loop. So click here and extrude it like this and scale it with scale object. I'm just making an what we say that. Okay, bevel it like this. It's looking good actually. Click here, shift, click here also, here and here. And now extrude, wait. And here has a modes of extrude region for the go this like I explain you like this. So select, wait, what happening? It's good actually for like doing like this. You can select extrude along normals, and what is extrude main fold. So click here and see, main fold is like this. Now let's bevel it like this. It's looking good actually. What you can find? What is this? And character and extrude individual means I will do this and it's go here. It says it's coming out. And what is extrude to cursor? First, I want to extrude it like this and select extrude to cursor and click anywhere. It's extrude with cursor and do left click, not right. Now you can see what is this actually. Wait, I want to do something with this. Instant. Wait. Press I. Wait. Press I on the keyboard. What's happening here? Okay, add one loop cut here like this. Like this. Wait. Excuse me. And click on this and bevel it. Bevel not instead. Wait. Press I. Okay. I'm just making an eye. And here also press I. It's what happening, yaar. It's looking funny. But no. Okay, it's it's looking good actually. And now shift and this extrude this in and it's looking good. It's looking like an cartoon character and here has an legs. So let's make it like an cartoon character. Let's extrude it. Okay. And here make like an food. It's looking good, not bad, yaar. Okay. Here and instead wait. Press I on the keyboard. You know all. I I okay here and extrude to okay. It's looking good. It's looking like an hand of this boy and girl. I don't know. Bevel no instead. Wait. This is a powerful way to work in Blender with the short commands in wait and Ex- extrude. Okay, it's looking good. Tab. My tab is not working now. Oh, it's looking good actually. It's looking good, not bad. Let's go in edit mode. It's good. So, in this video, I can explain. In this video, we meet in the next video. So, bye bye. Stay safe and keep learning.